Hello, good morning everyone. Yan. Yan, tuturuan ko po ang aking apo na mag-color. Yes, yes daw. Yes. What color is this? What color is this? Huh? What color is this? Oh. Check. What is this? House. Color natin ang house. Color natin ang house. Color brown. This one. Color natin ang bubong. Yan. Bubong ng bahay ni Z. Yan. Green daw. Green. Lagyan natin ng flowers. Red. And flowers. Ayan, flowers. Ayan, red. One. Flowers. This one. Naglaro na po. Cat. House. Wow. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Very good. What is this? This is a cat. What is a cat? Meow. What is a cat? Meow. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Bunso. Ikaw. Cat. This is a cat. Wow. What is this? Prawn. This is what is this? Elephant.